Again, pick up a small scoop of the gel, the base gel, so you can stick the caviar beads. Now you can also see the difference in between the sizes of the caviar beads. Like, to be honest, those kind of nail art is the ones I think are the most pretty, and mainly because of the small beads. Like, they just give it different dimension to it. Like, I don't know, almost a luxury feel to the nail art. But yes, they are extremely time consuming. And quite often, guys, you ask me how much I would charge for the things. So you definitely charge for those caviar beads. Like, I would say it will be probably an extra like 25 at least pound for the nail art itself on those type of nails, if not more.